Welcome to Grow Smart. The next 5 years could transform India's stock market, opening up once-in-a-generation opportunities for smart investors. Today, we'll reveal 4 high-growth sectors set to shape India's future, and the stocks to watch. Before starting, we want to inform you that this only for study and information purpose. Do not invest in any of stocks based on the information in this video. Do your own research or consult your financial advisor. Our first sector is capital markets and wealth management, the backbone of India's financial revolution. For decades, Indian families favored gold and real estate. But now, a massive shift is underway. Savings are moving into financial assets. This financialization of savings is just beginning. As India's middle class expands and household savings shift toward equity, capital market businesses are booming. The most preferred bank FDs are not giving adequate return. They are always at par with inflation. Recent reports says asset management companies are managing almost 33% of the total fixed deposits in bank. So in the near future, it will beat FDs of bank. Then who is going to benefit from it? SIPs and mutual fund penetration remain low compared to developed countries, leaving huge room for growth. As more Indians invest, companies powering this ecosystem, stock exchanges, depositories, and asset managers stand to benefit. Watch BSE Limited, which earns from every transaction and listing, and CDSL, which profits as demat accounts surge. Asset management companies like HDFC, AMC, and Nippon Life India. Asset management grow as more people invest through SIPs. Every new demat account, SIP or IPO boosts this sector. These companies are the market's essential infrastructure, not just riding the wave but enabling it. The shift from fixed deposits to equities is a structural, long-term trend. When you invest in these stocks, you're betting on India's growth and rising financial maturity. The potential isn't just steady, it's exponential, as compounding works its magic on assets under management and transaction volumes. Track demat account growth and monthly SIP numbers to gauge the sector's health. The financialization trend is irreversible, and the companies enabling it are set for years of growth. This is a sector where the smart money is flowing. Focus on the infrastructure players. They're the toll collectors on India's road to wealth. Capital markets and wealth management, a powerful engine for your portfolio. Next up, semiconductors, the new oil powering every device, from smartphones to cars. India has long imported chips, but now, government incentives and global partnerships aim to make India a semiconductor powerhouse. This sector is capital-intensive and long-term, but the potential is massive. Key players include MOS-chip technologies and Spell Semiconductor in design and testing, and Kaynes Technology in assembly. Big names like Tata Elxsi, HCL Technologies, and Vedanta are entering the space, building a diverse ecosystem. Not every company will succeed, but those that do could deliver life-changing returns. Track policy moves, partnerships, and project progress. This story is just beginning. Semiconductors are high-risk, high-reward bet on India's tech future. Our third sector, Indian defense. Once import-dependent, India is now building advanced defense systems at home. Atmanirbhar Bharat policies and rising budgets have created a booming domestic market for Indian defense companies. India's defense exports are hitting record highs, adding a new growth engine. Public sector giants like Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Electronics have robust order books. Private players, Larsen & Toubro, Tata Advanced Systems, Mahindra Defense are innovating rapidly. The future is high-tech drones, AI, cybersecurity, and space-based assets. Companies mastering these areas will lead tomorrow's defense industry. This sector offers strong government support, a huge market, and export potential. Defense is a direct play on India's rising global stature and self-reliance. For investors, it's a unique blend of stability and growth. Finally, data centers. Data center companies are essential to the digital economy, providing the infrastructure, security, and services necessary for data storage, processing, and transmission. Their activities include designing and managing facilities with robust power, cooling, and network connectivity, as well as offering core services such as co-location, managed hosting, and cloud solutions, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. They also handle operational management through continuous monitoring, maintenance, security, and disaster recovery, ensuring high reliability, security, scalability, and efficiency for their clients. Overall, these companies enable businesses to focus on their core functions while they manage the complex and capital-intensive IT infrastructure. It is the digital backbone of India's economy. As India digitizes, demand for secure, high-capacity data centers is exploding. Key players include Extradata, Anantraj, E2E networks, and NetWeb technologies. The ecosystem also includes infrastructure providers like Marine Electricals and Orionpro Solutions, plus IT giants like Reliance and Tata Communications. Power and cooling are critical. Companies like ABB, Cummins, Voltus, and Blue Star benefit from this boom. Data localization laws and the rise of 5G, IoT, and AI will drive 25–30% annual growth for years. Data centers are as vital today as roads and ports were in the past. Investing in this sector means riding India's digital transformation. Look beyond operators. Ancillary players offer smart exposure. Data centers, powering India's trillion-dollar digital future. 4 sectors: capital markets, semiconductors, defense, and data centers are set to redefine India's growth by 2030. Each is backed by strong trends, government support, and massive markets. Invest with vision and patience. These are multi-year stories. Do your research, track progress, and think long-term. Which sector excites you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Grow Smart. Happy investing!